Okay, so we have a food storage here. We have the freezer, chest freezer, and a chest fridge as well. So like this, we find it easier. And we have dried sultanas. This is tamarind paste. I recommend you get into some tamarind paste. It is pretty delicious and it adds that bit of a sour edge to some raw dishes. And we have sun-dried tomatoes, organic sun-dried tomato. This is some B12. This is just some dates, B12, and some stalks of heads of celery too. We have so much more greens that we're growing in the food forest, so we don't buy a lot of greens, which we enjoy daily. And we have ginger. This is from the land, turmeric. And we use these containers because they're just reusable, you know, so we use them for years and years. This is a noni or cheese fruit, which I highly recommend you try because it's pretty amazing mixed with avocado. Under here, we have a cabbage, which I'm going to make sauerkraut with. Do like myself some homemade sauerkraut. All right, some peppers, yellow pepper, capsicum. In Australia we call them capsicum, and beet. And we use these plastic containers for years. Like some of these are like 8 years old or something from the old place I used to live. So we just find they're really convenient in the tropics. Peppers, cucumbers. So we've got lots of cucumbers here. Apples. Whole bunch of sprouts. Yeah, microgreens we grew ourselves.
Just got them.
Just got them now. And seeds. We've got some seeds in here.
Yeah.
Cold stratifying.
Mulberry.
Yeah, white mulberry, delicious. See, cold stratify, 30 days recommended. Here we have, there's just a sugar apple in there for tomorrow. More sun-dried, organic sun-dried tomato. Carrots, and most of this is organic too. Yeah, I think it's all organic. We got it from the farmer's market, so there's no plastic involved, you know, no supermarket plastic bags or anything like that. I haven't taken plastic bags like that for a long time. Carrots, yeah, and there's the apples. And below that, we have another layer of vegetables, cucumber, well, they're fruits, cucumber and apples that we're going to eat later on. So that is a fridge. Lots of whole foods, reusable containers, not a lot, you know, there's no plastic involved like plastic bags. This is all from farmers market, supporting the locals. So very proud to eat this way. The freezer, so the freezer, I can't have it open too long, but we got some dried mango, local dried mango. This is all dried fruit here. Like, what do we got there? There's some sun-dried tomatoes, raisins, figs. And this is a whole lot of durian. And we would love to just take the whole durian and freeze it, but we couldn't fit all the durian. So we have to have it in these individual plastic bags. That's the only way we can get it from our friend who is local. We support the local farmer. And we reuse the plastic bags for tools and stuff like that, which I'll show you in a moment. This is where we're using the durian bags. It helps prevent them from rusting and organize things. And also dried fruit bags.
Yeah, these are the similar, yeah.
For tools. So they are being reused.
Yeah. You can even like pry back these ones again.
So it's not going to waste. That's the only way we can do it at this point, is to have this plastic. But yeah, we're definitely using it. And we love durian, so we try to have like a packet every night. Some people buy fancy cars, some people buy a lot of makeup, some people like go to movies and restaurants, and well, we spend our money on durian. That's all we spend our money on. We haven't been to a restaurant over a year actually, so that's pretty amazing, and we haven't had any desire to. So the food storage, so it's very, I don't know if you can hear the rain in the background. Well, it's not the rain, it's kind of pitter-pattering, but there's a creek in the background, so it's quite loud. It's been raining a lot, so there's a bit of mold getting around here. Like, well, that's how we live in the jungle. And bananas, lots of bananas from the land, but also we have to buy in from the local the local market, which is great. We're supporting local farmers. So papayas, lots of bananas, you know, they look a bit rough, but they're delicious because they're not gassed or anything like that. Not gassed, that's how they look. You know, they in the supermarket they look perfectly yellow and everything, but that's because they're gassed. Force ripened. So a lot of mandarins, papayas, and this is basically our diet, except for maybe some nori rolls and some nuts and seeds. That's it, basically. More noni up here. Avocado mammies, the sweet potato pumpkin fruit, which is amazing. And we got some Rollinia. Oh gosh, I've got to show you. Oh, this is my freaking huge. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Prehistoric fruit, right? But this tastes delicious. I was going to say delicioso. It's called lemon meringue pie fruit. That should give you a bit of an idea about how it tastes. We got a few of those, and we got, yeah. And where did the sugar apples go? And we got this one, you know, from the market, just no bags involved. You know, they just handed us the banana bunch and we walked off with it. Perfect, right? No plastic, it's wonderful. And sugar apples, look at these. This is like the sweetest fruit ever. Wow. I love them. I love them a lot. Look how fresh this is. Still got the leaves on. And we also have some sugar apples here from a local woman, and they're amazing. Oh, these are one of our favorites, right?
Yeah.
They're so sweet, and these are some sweet limes. Lemons. No.
Yeah, sweet lemon.
Sweet lemon, yeah. Yes, that's good. Well, and then more bananas. And then, wow, so, yeah,
local avocado.
we like avocados, right? And we grow them ourselves, but we can't get the quantity that we want.
Yeah.
You know, this is for like 2 weeks.
This year wasn't as good as the previous years.
Yeah, this year wasn't as good as previous years growing avocado, but this is like going to last us around 2 weeks.
Yeah, so we got 3 different varieties.
I have about half a day, and Snopey have about what, one?
One.
Yeah, about one. So
Sometimes 2.
yeah, but we're supporting like lots of local farmers, and it's great.
Yeah, these are basically the rejects.
Yeah, you can see that.
Go to supermarkets, but
Yeah,
they're perfectly fine. Like,
yeah,
there's
they're great
nothing wrong with
inside.
these ones.
Yeah, amazing. Okay, so we also have these pineapples from the local market, and we have them for planting as well because we use the heads.
Yeah, so we're gonna plant heaps because
And that's something important actually to say about all the fruit that we're getting. Like, we plant the seeds.
yeah, and
you
these
know.
ones in 2 years from this head you'll get a pineapple, and it just multiplies and you get more suckers from this one. So
Yeah. So it's exponential, like, you know, the investment is so important, you
we
know.
already have heaps of pineapples, but we want to eat more.
Exponential returns.
So, yeah.
And there's another box of pineapple.
So even if this one costs like $2.50, but you get the top, and then you get heaps of fruit in the future.
Yeah.
That is
It's perfect.
basically at no cost because they grow without attention. Just gotta pull the weeds away. No fertilizer needed. No water. They go.
And we
they go.
love like homegrown pineapple. It's like amazing, right?
Yeah, it's really good.
Really good.
Very easy to grow. Like easy.
So this is our coconut stash this week, and these are from like a local beach, free. We harvested them off those trees.
On the way back home from the market.
Yeah, on the way back home
So
from
it's
the
in
market.
same hole, you know.
Yeah.
A supermarket hole here for you.
Because we love coconuts. Love coconut
This
water.
is gonna be a really good young one.
Oh yeah, we like that.
But it maybe split
Oh,
there.
yeah.
Maybe split there. This one is a good one.
Yeah. Okay. Look at the butterflies. Wow. This is one of our little veggie gardens. So we have fresh greens whenever we want. You know, you should have obviously most of your food not in the fridge. It should be fresh.
Not the best one, but it's
Yeah,
okay.
but it's good. You crack it. Okra. Okra is good. Yeah. We love it.
Yeah, you know, this is like an extension to your fridge.
Look at this one. This one is like scary, spiky. Like,
Yeah.
Whoop.
This is where you should store most of your food, out in your garden.
yeah, that's right.
There should only be a small portion in your fridge.
And this is kutuk, our favorite, like sweet leaf, our favorite green.
Asparagus leaf.
Yeah, asparagus leaf. So we just pick this fresh every day.
Delicious.
It's great. Look at that. You can't get much more fresh. And as you can see here, we are storing bananas on the tree. This is like the best way.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then we just pick it fresh and eat it.
When
The
we
best
need it, we
nutrition.
just pick it down.
Yeah, when we need it. And look at this dragon fruit climbing up.
Yep.
So our, lifelong goal is like to eat, to store our food in the garden, all of it. Yeah.
When you wake up in the morning, you just pick what you want to eat for the day.
Yeah, that's right. You pick some katuk, some sweet leaf, you pick some fruit, and yeah, you enjoy it fresh. Fresh is best.
Yeah, like straight. No storage,
Yeah.
just straight.
As you can see up here, these little bulbs, these are breadfruit that we're storing on the tree for when we need them. But we don't eat them because you generally cook breadfruit, you can eat them raw, but we're still trying to get into the breadfruit. But
These we give to others now.
yeah, we give them to others. Trade fruit. That is our fridge, freezer, and food pantry basically on the Frugivore diet. Lots of nutritious, delicious, vibrant whole foods from nature.